Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. And in this video very important for nursing student. Today I will try 10 lines about Florence nightingale. So let's start. First point, Florence Nightingale, by name Lady with the Lamp, because would visit soldiers at night. Second point, she was born on 12th May 1820 in Florence, Italy. Third point, Florence Nightingale was a social reformer and the founder of modern nursing. She is also known as Mother of Nursing. Fourth point, she undertook nurses training in Germany in 1853. Fifth point, she was the first female to receive the Order of Merit. Sixth point, she dedicated herself to caring for injured soldiers. Seventh point, Nightingale was a British nurse, social reformer. Eighth point, her efforts reduced the death rate of soldiers in hospitals. Ninth point, Florence Nightingale, birthday 12th May, celebrated International Nursing Day. 10th point, she was dead on 13 August 1910 in London, England. Thank you for watching.